Oh, and by the way, we talked before quite a bit about the hoist, the lift, using a die table for a lift for these things, and it works out pretty good. I think I posted a video about that. But it's nice because you can move the car around too. You know, I can move the car around quite a bit. I can slide it all around. I can turn it completely around. It's quite steady, just the way it is. We talked about possibly putting some outriggers on here, and that wouldn't be too hard to do. We could go down along the side here and add some outriggers that would clamp on real quick, bring it out to about this, maybe a foot or so on each side, and that would really steady this thing up. Because the most unstable part would be back where the casters are. If the casters were both facing in, it could become a little bit unsteady on that end. Okay.